The Ruff-IN Made-to-Stock solution, also known as Ruff-IN MTS, features our most common and popular prefabricated assemblies. MTS allows for immediate shipment from stock to help reduce material management on site. MTS is UL listed and are all factory assembled. We offer a broad spectrum of solutions from our most basic prefab assembly, for example our TP403PF that includes a 4-inch square box with a prefab ground tail installed, to our more complex solution, the PFWFA 4Q10 AR58. It consists of a telescoping wide flange bracket, a BBA alignment plate, 4-inch square box with integral double barrel connector, ground tail, and an adjustable mudring. Our made-to-stock assemblies are ideal for any electrical Ruff-In installations. Also, contractors can optimize their prefab shop by using MTS assemblies. In conclusion, there's a Ruff-In solution for almost every electrical construction project, and our team will assist and recommend the right solution for you.
Learn how you can speed up installs, reduce waste, and improve the return on investment by visiting eaton.com/Ruff-In.
To see some of this equipment and the options you have for your installations, contact us or your local Eaton representative to schedule a visit to one of our Power Systems Experience Centers today.